Changing filters. Open the filter clamp. Pour out excess water. Shake out the used filters into the trash can. Or you may also use the siphon cap to remove the used filters. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and clean water. Open one OWF Filter Pack. Remove the white OWF sediment pre-filter and the black OWF carbon pre-filter. Place the white OWF sediment pre-filter beneath the black OWF carbon pre-filter and insert the two opposite corners of the filters into the provided slots to secure filter positions. Place the gray OWF Nanotech Filter 1 on top of the black OWF Carbon Pre-filter. Gently press down the edges until fully seated. Place the filter clamp on top of the gray OWF Nanotech Filter 1 and fully lock the handles. Lift the top tank assembly to separate from the bottom tank stand. Check that the bottom tank is positioned so that it engages with the grooves of the stand at any of the 4 positions provided. Remove the blue siphon cap from the center of the bottom tank cover. Remove the blue spigot cap from the bottom tank and store in the water drop shaped recess on the top tank cover. Tightly screw the spigot with washer into the provided hole. The spigot outlet should be pointing straight down. Place the top tank assembly on the bottom tank with the OWF logos facing front while making sure it is fully seated. When the top tank is empty, it can move a little. Fill the top tank with water up to the fill line on the inner side of the tank. Once filled, place the top tank cover on top. Allow water to fill the bottom tank. Once filled, drain the water completely until both tanks are empty. It is recommended to do this procedure each time a new set of OWF filters is installed or after cleaning the bottom tank. Refill the top tank with water up to the fill line. Press and hold the reset button on counter until it displays 580 liters. Make sure the counter is aligned with the magnet found on the rim of the top tank before closing the top tank cover. Your One World filter system is ready to use. Follow all safe water requirements to protect your family's health. One World Filter. Safe and affordable water for all.